everyone, this is IMTEX 2023 and we are at the stall of none other than Tsugami. Tsugami, one of the leading manufacturers of CNC, HMC, grinding machines, and we are having with us the technical expert Mr. Sanjay, who can give us some more insights about all these machines demonstrated at IMTEX 2023. So, hello Mr. Sanjay.
Hello.
And just give us insights about what you are demonstrating at this year's IMTEX show.
Yeah, thank you. Here to start with, we are showing a sliding head machine of 32 size, 6 axis. This is a Pro 1 machine. We are selling many numbers in India.
Give us more details about this product, like what are the specialities these machines is conducting.
Okay. This is a sliding head machine where the input is a bar and output you get complete finished product with complex operations completed in one machine. VMC, it's not only a VMC, it's a high-speed production machine with very precision accuracies, very high-speed rapid, fast tool changing, and a very compact machine.
Alright,
Yeah.
so and there is another machine beside it. Sir, please give us details about that machine as well.
That's again a VMC, but a bit bigger than this, with
Okay.
PT40 spindle, bigger table size,
Okay,
same performance, and again a very compact series.
amazing. So, talking about IMTEX 2023 show and the new launches at the same time, what Tsugami has offered to this show this year as a new launch?
In this event, we have displayed some 2 turning machines with special designs. One is integral spindle and heavy-duty spindle capacity, 18.5 kilowatt power.
Okay,
And another is a regular turning machine with extended length, up to 800 mm length.
alright, sir. So, IMTEX being one of the biggest show for the machine tool industry, what are your expectations from this year's IMTEX? And of course, how has been the response till now?
As usual, IMTEX is one of the biggest event for machine tool companies, and this event is much important because it has come after a gap of 4 years.
4 years.
So there is a lot of crowd, lot of new inquiries we are getting. There is a big response, very good response.
That's amazing to hear from you, sir. We wish you very all the best for this show. Thank you so much for giving us the time. Thank you.
Thank you.